Yes, good morning. So this is second video. The first video you can find in my live in my channel playlist. There's a live video just now. Profit around 6 points US dollar for standard account and 331 US dollar for the micro account. So at this moment you are waiting to go long in the position. So I already queue my position to go long with the same targeted TP price. And the first in the morning we just saw that we did manage to secure 6 points. Okay, I will enlarge the video. So this here, and also this red triangle which I exit the market just right before the target TP area. So for this trade I will presume to go on the higher side, which is at 10.50 is the average target. And so let's take a look on the larger. Okay. Okay, so hope this can see, guys can see it better. So we'll change to 1 minute to see it more clearer direction or situation what actually happened in the market. All right, so by the way, this is live trading for Russell 2000 RTY. If you are using the standard account, and for the micro account is M2K M20 June contract 2020. So I did queue my position for the long at 10.25, which is the target is at another 25 points. I should be around 250 ticks. That's the target. So I'm targeting to go towards this price, this level of profit. So let's wait and see. Hopefully E-Mini S&P futures and Q Nasdaq 100 and also Russell 2000 all providing a green go signal to go for a long position. And it's quite clear that all three market will go for a long. I'm expecting E-Mini will earn much more, or better I go to enter at E-Mini. I'm not sure if I have enough margin, because the margin already increased since past few days because of the volatility of the market. So we have a confirmed bullish signal. There's an entry somewhere here at 10.25. Now we are waiting for the market to is my targeted TP area. So let's go back to the dome. So by the way, this is Asia session. Also in New York. In New York time is the now I think evening time, 10 p.m. I guess. So some of you already went for a sleep, but for me, I'm printing the money out. Okay. So let's. Okay. There's a small sideways movement being detected. Okay, my current working order is to go by at 1024.9. Okay, that's the exact number. I'm using 1025 just now because it didn't as a number. So we have a cumulative profit today from the Russell account only, 234. If you watch, I have one position also in E-Mini under standard account, 500 profit last night. So you can join the link for E-Mini and Russell all indexes in one link for live trading signal in my Telegram channel in description below. And also we have a profit for crude oil last night. I mean my time last night for US time is in the morning on the same day. So you will get the live signal 180. I already upload in the YouTube. You can go into my playlist, look for the recent crude oil uploaded video. And for E-Mini, I will upload later on because I'm busy with Russell. I just now do live one time and now another live because there's another opportunity. So let's wait. So at this moment, we are still not in the market and waiting for this order to be triggered. Okay, it's quite interesting. So let's wait and see. Maybe I can enter 2 more lots. Looks pretty much more riskier, but might be helpful in terms of the profit when we can double up the profit. So let's think. I will think first whether I can enter 2 lots Is it possible? I don't have much margin inside it because the margin already increased, and try to protect if stuck in high volatility, don't lose. I didn't lose so much. So try to is it a reject? Okay. Oh, is it a reject? Okay, not enough. I need around 414. Never mind. One lot contract size should be good enough. So I will let this video live, and we'll see. Still waiting. So okay, all right. This too big. We close it small, so it will be more interesting to point it on the higher side over here. So the target remains at around 1048 or 1050. So this is my entry, and I will draw some things for you to see whether this will be a good indication. So you can see it, what's the target, and this is based from my technical analysis in the. All right, so that's how it looks like, perhaps. So still waiting. So we go back to the chart, and I'm targeting for everything still remain bullish. Yep, still remain bullish. All channel, I guess, all three indexes still remain bullish. It's going to take some time, but my limit time, I will only go live for 30 minutes because my laptop will turn very hot. That's why I don't do live. I only live recorded and upload it in YouTube because, yeah, you know, first the internet use a lot, consume a lot when we do live streaming, and also it might affect my platform because my performance of my laptop is not really strong enough to go for the live and trading as simultaneously, and also to get the data feed from the trading view each minute or each seconds of the price. Okay, let's wait. Okay, could be a pullback, and still waiting somewhere here. So we remain the waiting time. I think I will out for a break for a while to have a cigarette break while waiting for this order to be filled. Okay, so maybe okay, we can see now there's a blue candle appeared. Okay, we go back to the larger chart. All right, so we are still above view line, above pivot line, and everything seems bullish. We have a bullish signal. This red, but it means a continuation of the bullish movement, and this is the blue one is the entry point for the bullish movement. Okay, on the pullback. So looks nice at this moment. Looks nice, looks perfect, but it's not yet triggered. We got a signal, but not yet trigger and confirm. Okay. That's gonna take some time. Fuck. Why there's a red candle? But by the way, this is 1 minute chart, so that's why it's more stressful to watch 1 minute charts because it costs you a lot of time. There's a lot of candles to be watched, but better to use a higher time frame like 5 minutes or 10 minutes if you are doing scalping, or maybe 30 minutes or 1 hour if you are a bit swing on the daily basis. Okay, if you do that, then you won't need necessary to watch the chart most of the time, because for me I have nothing else to do, so I go live and do this. It's like my routine every day, my exercise. This is the only thing I do every day. Day trading, looking at the chart from the morning till the US time, Asia time, London time, and midnight time, and then go up again to the chart and make the money, print the money. As for today, we have a good I think 200. Let me show you something. We have a 200 and over here. Yeah, over here. 234 is the cumulative profit for today. I mean the time in US. I'm using the time in US for the account. So 19th of March, we have a profit of 234 from the Russell only. Okay, so for another green blue candle. Okay, it's quite interesting. I want to catch it live recorded. Okay, live streaming while the order been filled. Okay, then we move to the stop loss later on. The profit target is somewhere here. I will place 1046 once the order been filled, and wait, I go for the stop loss. I think okay, looks nice. Looks nice. I think it feel. We got feel. We got feel. All right, we got feel. We got feel. So 1017 will be our stop loss. So I need to put 1017 and 1040 is the profit target. So 1040 from this entry should be around 16 ticks, or which is quite a lot. Six, sorry, not 16 ticks, 16 point, which is 16 points on the standard account times 5 is 09 800 US dollar in profit target. All right, feel it? Okay, good. So 1040 is the okay, okay. Where is 1040? 1040. I think should be somewhere here. That's I think I should go higher. Let's say if possible. Okay, we go for 1043.70. Just randomly put there. Yeah, a bit below the box. I think a bit below the box. I assume so. A bit below the box. Okay. And the stop loss. Okay, now the price reverse back to the downside. Big red candle. Although the price just now hit the highest is 1026, which is around 2 points or $10. That's the max profit just now. $10 quite easily, a few seconds. So 17 is the stop loss. Okay, because of I'm live streaming, so this computer move really slow. Okay, that's why I don't like to do live streaming, because my laptop is not really fit for live streaming, and my internet also consume will be much more higher. Okay, I don't like it. Okay, that's how we do it. So let's reconfirm back on the TP. Let's take a look. Okay, we already in the market with the bullish signal here, and also the bullish continuation over here, and the target price will go for 1060. I guess 1060, which is a good one. I should increase my profit target to 1050, so another 7 more points, so should be around 350 US dollar more on the standard account. All right, so should I go, or should I didn't? I think enough is enough. For me, this is quite a lot. 43 minus 25, 10, 15, 18. Yeah, 18 is good enough. I think around 90 plus. It's good enough. It's totally good enough. So no need to be greedy, because I can do this most of time. Like today, Asia session, I do it 2 times. So you can watch the live just now, and also this live. Okay, then should be another entry during London session, or multiple entry during London session. Yeah, it was totally okay. This strategy is the whole day trading strategy. Right? For indexes will be a good. We have 4 indexes for US, YM, NQ, ES, and also this RTY, which is quite good. All direction almost the same. Only the profit is less or bit more somewhere else about this. So I will pause my voice only and let this video run, or should I think this will take around 20 minutes a time of trading, so let me record it and make it a good bit, so you can impress for a while how I do the trading live. Actually all my trading is live with live account. I'm using M futures. So M futures, okay, profit now is about $9. Okay, so I'm using M futures. So M futures have a good margin requirement, and also they can attach you to a lot of platform, so you can go check a lot of check the broker. Sorry, I'm not their affiliate or not their IB, but for me, it's quite good for traders to find a good broker as a partner. Okay, seems good at this moment. So by the way, this is time frame 1 minute. So let me enlarge it to make it more feelable, so you can feel how the trade is going. This is live trade from my home. I think you can hear my son voice. Yeah, and also my wife is cooking at this moment. Okay, in case necessary, I will pause the voice, and yeah, just to make sure that okay, looks good. We are in the profit. So where's I need to add my money. Can I add my money over here? I'm not sure if I can silent the. Okay. Alright, children. Maybe there will be no voice during this live trading because it's going to take some time, a lot of time. The profit still stood at $4. It's a bit boring, but if you're using the standard account, it's already $40, and the highest just now is around 200. So four ticks, 4 by 5 dollar per points, it should have around 200 US dollar in profit with the standard account. But for micro, it should be around 20 US dollar. So where's how to? I'm searching to silent my phone. If you hear that, sorry about that. Okay, my son's early in the morning is quite normal. Uh, yeah. Okay, the profit now is 215 US dollar, 200 for the standard account. And for the micro account should be around $22. So there's a difference between micro account and also the standard account. So as you can see, we have been live for 20 minutes. Okay, this is not a quick trade. In case you saw a lot of my video during US session, that's a different strategy because US session always provide a very good high demand of the volume which can push the price higher. Okay, so it's very interesting. The profit over here is 24 on the standard account 260, which is a lot. So we did enter at 10.25. 10 which is down here, and the target is 43. So if you are trading indexes, so you know how much you can make with the standard account, so it's quite a lot. So like for now you can earn around 300 US dollar in profit, 300 US dollar in profit for a quick few minutes for from the Asia session. And this account okay, looks good. Normally I will exit because 305 or 300 US dollar in profit is good enough, but under the volatility of the market, so market might go for the high, and we can maybe can reach to 80 US dollar for the micro account or 800 US dollar for the standard account. So there's a nearest high here at 1036. So let the price break through first, and then we decide whether we want to exit or to maintain the position. So we're still on track. Always reverse is the fastest one. Okay, so 16, 17. I should take a break for cigarette, but I need to exit the market before I go. Okay. Now we have reset to the new days. So today profit target is 250. You can watch it. Sorry, 550 US dollar. So yesterday already go into the account. I already withdraw some. So I always withdraw. Like 3 days, one time withdraw. 1 week must at least one time withdraw, or the best is 2 time withdrawal. Because I'm trading micro, so it should be easy to make money. For me, weekly I can earn around 4 to 500 US dollar with the investment of $40 or $80 or $100. So it's quite funny, but it's quite good because you invest around $100 and you earn around 300 to 500 weekly, so which is a good return of investment. Or okay, now we can see there's a large candle over here. So this is what interesting in the market. When you are in the good position to go for a profit, then should you push higher or should exit? Okay, so 360 on the standard Russell 2000 account. So you can check. Let me go for M futures brokerage. So to take a look, right. So we have been live for 22 minutes. So okay, M futures over here. So this is my broker I'm using at this moment. So I've changed multiple broker, and also CQG remain my best platform. I like CQG, much more easy. Oh, we already resume back. Okay, okay, right. So there's a latency in my internet connection. It's not really heavy. All right, so here we go. So for this is a micro account trading indexes. For normal Russell, here normal account, you require around 7,100 for one lot position size. But how many money you can make? It's times 10 this one. So 400 for a quick profit. So you can earn 400. All right, so just got, I mean, so each trade you can earn around 400 or sometimes 900 US dollar in profit. So we have around 3 session: Asia session, London session, and US session. So each can contribute to around 900, so should be 3,000. So almost 40% or 50% from the standard normal margin requirement for this RTY. Same goes for the E-Mini S&P futures, but at this moment it's very expensive. 12,000 margin requirement, so we have to use maintenance margin because of the market volatility. So there's okay, we have to know also the CME daily price limit. So let's take a look whether we still on track for this one. So the market, we are minus, still minus. Okay, there's a red candle. I have to wait another maybe few more minutes for the market to reach higher. So I think I will exit early, so I can go have to have cigarettes later on. Okay, what I want to show. Okay, over here. So we have a shit. What's this line for? Okay, we have this. All right, we have a good breakout price level somewhere here at 1036. So let's wait. It will be very interesting. I will move my profit around 37 minus 25 should be around 12 points. 12 point by 50 should be 600 US. 200 US dollar profit. Already profit 200 plus. Yesterday 19. My time now is already 20. So today the target is still the same, 200 US dollar. So every 200, so 5 days you are trading a simple strategy with a very less capital, with a micro account, very less risk, and you get around what 200 by 5 is around 1,000 per week with one lot contract size. So you can earn more if you double the contract size, like 2,000 or 3,000 per week. Okay, so I only use one contract size, and that is a micro account. So you can use the standard account to watch how much the profit will go. All right, seems didn't go. There's a pullback on this section at 10:34. Now is 10:39. The 5 points down, which is around $20 down or 200 US down. So let's wait. Oh, it's very sharp move to the downside, then to a blue one to maintain our position on the higher side. So ho 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 ho. All right. So the highest just now is around 33. So we have around 12 points. Sorry, 8 points. So should be okay, 840 or 400 US dollar in profit just now, the highest. So let's wait. I should exit. Now I regret it. So it's quite typical for traders. Sometimes feel regret because didn't close the position at the good price of 40 US dollars. So I need to go for analysis to see, is it have problem? Is it a reversal? I need to be careful. In case there's a reversal, then okay, we can see there's a red candle appeared. Too much red candle. Okay, now we are back to the negative side or break even. So so I need to do some analysis to see whether the market really try to reverse back. Okay, we have another buy signal at 10:31, 10:31.5 somewhere here, which is another buy signal. Yep, 10:32. I move it further down. Okay, 10:31.5. There's a second buy signal over here. If the price hit this price limit and it will go higher, so I will reverse turn back this TP area to the higher side to 46.40. That's the plan. Let's wait and see. So by the way, if you just watching this video, this is live trading and Russel 2000 indexes. Looks guys, we're still waiting at this moment. Looks like it appears there's a continuation. There's also a possible reversal, but just need to be careful because we are still near to the view line. Normally the market might turn sideways all the way during the view up, but then later will explode to one direction. But as for now, we have only a buy signal twice, and so the second buy signal appeared at 10:31.5. So market price now is 10:25.2, which is about our entry level. So we don't have much in the profit. The highest just now profit is $440, 400 US dollar for standard account or $40 for my micro account. Okay, let's wait some more. This gonna fly over to the higher side. Should be okay. So I will let this video live. Maybe we'll take another 30 minutes. I think this one should be okay. We have been 30 minutes. Oh, it's long enough because I don't like to go live with this long, very long video because I prefer to have a live recording so you can pause and only record the important one. As for now, just keep watching. Yeah, there's a new candle appeared. By the way, I'm using a 5-minute time frame for this one. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, we need a green candle for this one, a green candle or blue candle, which is to show a bullish movement, a big one. So back to positive side, 11, 14 US dollar in profit, 13. Keep increasing. This is good. I hope it break through this nearest high, and we have a secondary buy signal at 10:31.5. Okay, there's a secondary buy signal 1031.5. So okay, here's come my son just to want to disturb me. Apa? Kertas, sekejap. Terima kasih. And now try to turn back up. Okay. On the chart. So I always using a trading view for my chart analysis, not the CQG. CQG is the execution platform. Okay, we quite clear now. This doesn't look good. If the price reverse back to the downside, then which means not a good not a good situation for us to maintain this position. I hope it break through this 10.5 to go on the higher side, which is called a buy signal, for secondary buy signal, which is quite strong for me to be confident that the market will go on the higher side. Okay, 1 point or a good strong blue candle to show that the direction is still valid and still strong. Okay, now we are back to $10 or $12. Keep increasing, $13. Okay, looks good. We are back on track. Fuck. Okay, just let this video roll up and you can see everything. So later on, we not pause or stop the video, but I will stop this video after 1 hour because it will be very long for 1 hour video. I don't like that. I consume a lot of my internet just for the sake of the live trading. I can do it live with live recording and publish it, so you can watch my channel. There's a lot of live recording video, and also some I will go for live movement. So as for now, all still bullish. So let's take a look on the other, what the others are still going to do. The same for E-Mini S&P futures. So for E-Mini S&P futures, mini S&P futures, Nasdaq 100 almost the same. It's like a minor pullback for the breakout on the higher side. So let's wait and let's take a look. Hopefully there's a breakthrough to the higher side. Okay, please don't reverse back. At this moment we have a good signal on the buy for all three markets, but it seems like there's a minor pullback, and hopefully it's not a trendy change, counter trend. So we still really need a blue line to trigger this secondary buy signal at 1031.5. So we are back to $17 in profit. This is micro account, by the way, because for a normal standard account, you will earn around 250 by now, or the highest just now is 400 US dollar. It will be a quick one. I'm sure that this is how the Russell 2000 or the indexes will do. Easy money, only the margin sometimes is quite high, and for the micro trade, it will be much more beneficial because the day trade margin is very low. Dah. Ini apa? Belakang lah, belakang sini. Belakang sini. Ada yang ambil kertas lain. Let's go to the zoo. All right, we're back again. So I went to my son just now. Okay, it's a confirmation been hit. Yes, this green line is the confirmation of the secondary bullish signal. It is a confirmation to go for a buy long. All right, hopefully the price will not reverse back. So I might reverse my stop loss to this 1023 could be. Okay, now why there's a red candle? Okay, and this is index. So we have to play along. What? 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 Everything's fine. Nasdaq as well, breakthrough. S&P futures also for the Russell 2000. Why there's a pattern is very small there for that candle. Okay, we have entered a new candle. Okay, this doesn't look good. Unless we have a big strong bullish candle, then we are optimistic that the market will go for a bullish movement. But as for now, okay. I need to check something. All right. In case the price reverse back, I need to find my exit. I will not hold much on this position, so I will not take more risk because it already take a long time for me to be in the market. So 1022.9 is my new stops. So I will trailing. Alright. Now all the profit remain is $7. Okay. I will move my stop loss first. Somewhere 1021 should be justified. We did enter at 1024, so it should be $20 in losses. Better. Should be okay. Okay, so the stop loss 1017 changed to 1021. Simple number, simplify, round up. 1021. All right, 1021. Okay, here's just 1021. Okay, change, confirm, E-Mini Russel, 1021, stop. Please move. That's why I don't like live trading. Now I have a latency problem and my chart platform is not moving. Okay, now it goes. Okay, 1031 is the new stop loss area, and hopefully the price break through this nearest high and go to the previous high. Break through both, then we are confident that we are in the good position for the bullish movement. Wah, cantiknya ada green, red, blue, black. Pandainya. Ikan pakai ibunya ni marker kan? Ikan lukis lah. Lukis apa? Lukis M1 ke, bulat-bulat ke, lukis triangle ke, lukis square ke. Ada ni, tahu tak? I have recorded for 44 minutes. So we have been in the market about 44 minutes and still maintain under same direction to go for a long price movement on the Russell 2000. So if you are trading with me together with the standard account, you already earn the highest just now is 400 US dollar for standard account, but for micro account, 40 US dollar as a profit, and now I regret it because I didn't close the position. So never mind. Still in the of the bullish. Okay, perhaps no reversal, but for NQ and E-Mini S&P futures is quite confirmed that they will fly any moment soon. Okay, explode to the higher side. As for Russell 2000, no indication that they will go for the higher side at this moment. Very strong bullish for NQ and E-Mini to the current condition. Yeah, they're still pushing on the higher side. You can see it. Yep, they're going for the higher side with a lot of bullish confirmation, bullish trend confirmation. But for Russell, only bullish continuation confirmation. Okay, now it moved. So we reached 30. So let's go back to my trading platform. Okay, it looks good. Maybe for the next 3 candle will be crucial if the price break through the nearest high over here, which is it's a good indication that it will fly over very fast in the next 10 to 50 minutes. And I hope I can record it live with you guys watching somewhere in this world. And now why there's a red candle? That's totally fucked, right? Okay. Now we're going back to the chart. to see any problem. Okay, only Russell have this kind of problem, but for others, I still remain intact on the bullish condition. A bit boring. Okay, it looks going to the bottom, isn't it? For the standard account, 150 for standard account. So from the highest just now is 400 US dollar, but still the target is 900 or 1000 plus. So it will be more to wait and to put the risk on this trade. Tapi itu memang kita terfikir lah. Okay, connection unstable. Seems like the price move to the higher side, pre-market. So I'm quite confident that we are going to fly high on this. Okay, so let's back to the platform to see $35 for the standard account and 13.550 cents, 13.5 for normal micro account. for standard account. So the profit 18 for the micro account. So seems we have been live for 1 hours. It consumed a lot of my internet, and also my laptop at this moment is very hot. So once it's break through this nearer side, I will stop this video and you can take profit anywhere you want. And yeah, that's the purpose of the trading, to take profit. So as for me, now we are back on the cumulative profit to reach around 500 for standard account, and for 500 for micro, $50 for micro account. So always 10 times difference. And on the current situation, everything seems waiting for the explosion to the bullish side. Let's hope everything will be fine. But in case the price didn't go, then I have to exit. I think at loss. I think should change to 1022. Okay. It's very weird. So let's maintain the stop loss over there. So what actually happened was, didn't it go through to the higher side, and the candle becomes smaller and smaller, waiting for it to break through. Okay, red for both NQ and ES. Okay, now turn back green for all three market. We are about 2 points. It's not much. $10. It's very, or $100 for standard account, because once point for standard account is $50. So if you earn 10 points, and then it's a $500 in profit, and $50 for profit in micro account. Not much now. At 50, you can see over here. This is the profit. So our target is this yellow line over here, and also this blue box. Okay, I will keep silent for a while and go to make some coffee.